Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to send a secure email attachment. So let's go to the Gmail first. Now you have to write a mail. Choose an email address, then you have to put here the subject. Now you have to go to this attachment option to attach anything. Like I'm gonna attach this assignment task or this one. After that you have to click on this lock icon, which is confidential mode. Click on this and you can see here expires in what recipients who won't have the open to forward, copy or print download this mail. You can see that expires is 1 week. You can change it to 1 month, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, or 1 day. The recipient will not able to open it. If you click on 1 week, the recipient will not open this or download this or copy this within 1 week. After 1 week, he can do this with this mail. Okay, now you can see here the passcode and the SMS passcode. If you click on SMS passcode and click on save, now if you click on send, you have to put here, have to write here the phone number. After write the phone number, you have to click on send. After click on send, when he opens this mail, he have to click on the send SMS, then he will receive a code, then he have to paste the code to that specific box. Okay, so after give the code, the message will open, otherwise it not open. But if you click on this confidential mode and like go to this confidential mode again, and if you choose no SMS passcode and if you click on save, then it will not require any code to open this mail. Okay, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.